Well, today I'd like to show you how you can invest in crowdfunded real estate to make $100 online really fast. So this video. I'm going to show you the site that is really easy, and this is really cheap way to crowdfund real estate. So what is crowdfund? Crowdfund means like you just invest in groups so that the investment amount gets lower, so that average people can invest in biggest projects like real estate. So this is the way, this is the concept you can make money, but it's not like a fast process, but in the time, when time goes on, profit goes bigger. So in the long run, you will just make like something very good amount of money every month without wasting any of your time. So I'm going to show you the site that is going to be fundrise.com. Yes, this is the site that I am talking about right now. Fundrise.com is a crowdfunded real estate site that you can just invest some money, and it will like a retirement plan for you. So there, today or tomorrow, it will turn bigger and it will give you consistent profit day after day, and so on and so forth. So the concept is like, before I tell you everything about it, I'm just going to go you the disclaimer is that I'm not a financial expert and I'm not a financial advisor. So I just make this video as an educational purpose only. Investment is your responsibility. Your money is your responsibility. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, and invest with your comfort zone, and you can simply decide what to do next. So I'm going to show you the way you can do it, and this website has some special features. So if you just go over to this website, you can see that there are lots of active investors and you can just go there and choose any project you like. You simply go there and upload and send the investment to the projects, and you are good to go to make a good money after years. So this works, it's not like a daily profit or monthly profit, it's a like year-based profit. Real estate profit is always works like 3 to 5 years, but when you invest, you will get some profits after 3 to 5 years. But in the long run, if you divide it by in the month basis, you will see that how good that profit is. So that is why I told it like this is a retirement plan for you. If you have some money right now, you can just invest into this crowdfunded real estate business, and this is not a way to lose money, but simply most of that project will work for you. And you can see that Fundrise achieves 22.99% average returns across all clients in 2021. So this is really awesome, but past performance doesn't indicate that it will be like that in future as well, but it may vary. The profit may go bigger or less, but obviously you will get some profit. That is the thing here. So if you just go over to fundrise.com, you can see that they have some articles on their education sections. You can learn more about it, how to crowdfunding works, how the real estate investment works. But when you are deciding to join there, you just go to how it works sections, and you will learn more about how projects works. And these are the top real estates that are residential places, hotels and shops and many things like that. You just go there and select the real estate projects you want. You will think that it's comfort for you, and then invest that money. The main thing is you just need a minimum $10 to start with this. This is why I told these sites is a really good way to start investing. So as little as $10 you can start with this website, but the only catch is you need to be a US citizen. That is the only catch. So it's only right now open for US citizens, but I don't know, maybe some of you have, many people have relatives on US, so you can do that as well. You can contact contact them and you can work with them so that you can invest in fundrise.com. But it's your responsibility, it's your decision. So this is the thing, guys. You can just simply make a decent amount of money every year just by investing into this website, into this real estate projects. And this is going to be a retirement plan for you if you haven't make any. If you have to do some retirement plans, right? In people's are not like people's in these pandemic situations and many things like that, people's losing jobs and there is no security about your life. So you have to plan your retirement. So that is why if you have some money to invest, you can just invest into real estate. This is a really no-brainer and a tension-free, worries-free investment that will make some profit every year, and more it will get bigger and bigger. More investment you have, if you just like reinvest the profit, some of the portion of the profit which is cumulative, so you can make it bigger and your profit will be bigger in year after year. So that's the way it is. You can just go over to fundrise.com and make your own money and retire before you want, if before your age, before you're older. So retire on younger so that you have more time on your life spent with your families and have a happy life. That is what it's all about. It's the life we have. So happiness is the main goal. So this is the method. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos on money. New videos are uploaded daily for you. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.